Tea, a beverage enjoyed by millions worldwide, is generally considered a healthy and soothing drink. However, not all teas are created equal, and some may harbor hidden dangers that can negatively impact health. While most teas offer a range of health benefits, it's essential to be aware of certain varieties that may pose risks to life when consumed in excessive amounts or under specific circumstances. Herbal teas with medicinal properties. While many herbal teas are celebrated for their potential health benefits, some can be dangerous if consumed excessively or without proper understanding. Certain herbs may interact with medications or cause adverse reactions. For example, licorice root tea, when consumed in large quantities, can lead to increased blood pressure and potassium imbalance. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating herbal teas with potent medicinal properties into your routine. Caffeine overload. Tea is a source of natural caffeine, which can be beneficial in moderation. However, excessive caffeine intake can lead to various health issues, including insomnia, anxiety, and increased heart rate. Some teas, such as certain green teas and black teas, contain higher levels of caffeine. Individuals who are sensitive to caffeine or have underlying health conditions should be cautious and limit their intake to avoid potential adverse effects on their health. Contaminated teas. The quality of tea leaves and the conditions in which they are grown can significantly impact the safety of the final product. Contaminated teas may contain harmful substances like pesticides, heavy metals, or even microbes. Long-term consumption of such teas can lead to serious health issues. Choosing teas from reputable sources that prioritize quality and safety is crucial to minimize the risk of exposure to harmful contaminants. Exotic teas with potential allergens. Exotic teas from different regions may introduce novel flavors, but they can also carry allergens that individuals may be sensitive to. Some teas may contain traces of nuts, gluten, or other allergens. It's important for individuals with known allergies to carefully read tea labels and choose products that are free from potential allergens to prevent allergic reactions that could endanger their health. Adulterated teas. In some cases, teas may be adulterated with artificial colors, flavors, or other substances to enhance their appearance or taste. Consuming adulterated teas can lead to unintended health consequences, especially for individuals with sensitivities to certain additives. Choosing teas from reputable brands and suppliers can help mitigate the risk of ingesting harmful substances. While tea is generally considered a safe and healthy beverage, it's crucial to be aware of potential dangers associated with certain varieties. Herbal teas with medicinal properties, excessive caffeine intake, contaminated teas, exotic teas with potential allergens, and adulterated teas all pose risks to health if not consumed mindfully. To enjoy the numerous benefits of tea while minimizing potential dangers, individuals should educate themselves, read labels carefully, and consult with healthcare professionals if needed. As with any aspect of diet, moderation and informed choices are key to maintaining a healthy and balanced lifestyle.